We're going to be walking through how to install light filtering shades like this with the inside mount, so you don't have something above the window. So it's all going to be happening kind of within the frame of the window like that, and we'll get started. So basically they include these clips, and because you're doing an inside mount, these clips, the only hole you're really going to be drilling is for this elongated one like that. And in terms of where I drill, so I'll go like, call that 4 inches out, and then that gap right there in the middle is what I'm going to be drilling a pilot hole for. So I'm going to do that there. Same thing on the other side, 4-inch offset, and then something roughly in the middle right here. And then I'm going to be coming in and screwing these guys in place. And then before any of that happens, this is a little bit too long, about 1/4 of an inch too long. So I'm going to go to the miter saw and cut this to length. So now I've got a nice tight fit, just like that. So now I'm gonna make those pilot holes, and then we'll screw these in. Okay, and that's what it looks like before I install it. Also, so that elongated hole in the middle, the reason why it's elongated so you can adjust these forward and back like that, and also a little bit side to side. Don't tighten these all the way down because you want a little bit of play to actually hook the blind onto this part first and then onto this part. And when you're drilling your pilots, I intentionally trace out kind of the whole oval, and then I'll just put the pilot in the center so that I get that maximum left and right, stuff like that. And now we'll throw these blinds in and see what the finished product looks like. All right guys, and that is the finished product. Hope this helped, and thanks for watching.